Why students fail in general science and ability paper? The first reason is syllabus was revised, and this paper first it was called Everyday Science. Now it is called General Science and Ability. And some new things were added, and especially maths portion that creates a bit of problem because some students don't have background in maths. Similarly, students, those people who have done BA or general subjects or arts, they don't have background to science. So with weak background, then they don't develop proper understanding with that. You don't have proper background, so you don't have understanding with science and scientific concepts. And after that, if you know that you don't have proper background, you have lack of understanding. So what will happen? You will have weaker concepts. You won't be able to develop concept properly. Your concepts will not be clear, and you it means that you need to work hard. But students do, they don't study that much. So they don't devote enough time to this paper. They study, they have poor study. And then they find it difficult to understand the scientific terms. Similarly, for science, you need guidance about bio, computer, maths. Like there's so many topics in it, so many subjects in it. And what students do, they rely on only one teacher, one book or notes, and that is a big mistake. Similarly, they take this paper very lightly. They think that they will get through, and they don't give enough time to it. And book selection is poor because students go for notes or handbooks, just one. And objective type questions, they also affect your score. For those people, those students who have not studied science before. So this paper is technical, and your approach must also be technical, and you must devote enough time to it. These were the reasons why students fail in general science and ability paper. And this is, I think, the third reason. First, English papers, English essay, précis and composition, and then this paper, general science ability. These are three major hurdles in your way to CSS. If you want to get through this exam, you will have to work on English essay, précis and composition, and general science and ability.